Can using higher rated battery damage device? I am in need of a battery for my Lenovo 3000Y410 laptop. Its installed battery has voltage rating of 10.8 V, but the shop I've consulted has only a battery of 11.1 V rating. Should I buy the battery? I mean, does using that battery can damage my laptop? An answer with some good source from hardware vendor will be very much helpful. Please do not just put your opinion, because I do not see any difference in your opinion and my opinion. My opinion is also it is bad, but I need some reliable source.
If you search Google you will get different answers, but I can tell you from experience, that if you get a battery with a higher voltage rating it will not work correctly in the laptop, and it may harm your laptop and the battery. You need the correct voltage for your laptop. Now if Lenovo has an option to a different battery, I would ask them. The battery that you have is a 6 cell, check to see if they have an 8 cell.
Yes, it can damage your laptop. But considering it's only 0.3 V difference and assuming your laptop would actually turn on with the new battery, you might just experience extra heating in your laptop. Anyway, I wouldn't recommend buying a battery with higher voltage. Look for another shop or just buy it online. Refer to this question for more information using a 20 V power block on a 19 V notebook.
I wouldn't buy a battery from a vendor who offered you another voltage for the same model. Laptop batteries are by total capacity, not by voltage, and there's a good chance something is off if it's a battery of different voltage. The battery connectors for a laptop are specific to both the laptop brand and often the model as well. Your vendor seems fishy. A quick check shows the standard battery for the model, the 43 and 1955, see the post by Mark Lenovo, is 10.8 V. Do not buy a battery of any other voltage.
Alright. So, I knew what I knew, but after reading and responding in here I wanted to break out the voltmeter and test a few things. Just to be sure. But I'll get to that. I've got a 2004 Toshiba Satellite A75 sitting up in the kitchen as the general purpose computer for me and the wife. I've got 3 batteries for it. Why? Well, I've got the original, still holds a charge, and 2 replacements for those times when I might be away from a power outlet but still might want to use it. The original Toshiba battery is 14.8 V/6450 mAh. The first replacement, I didn't purchase it, is a generic 14.8 V/4400 mAh. The replacement I did purchase is a Rayovac made 14.4 V/6600 mAh battery. It is sitting in the laptop at this moment, and is the battery I've used for more than a year now. So, from personal experience I can say that using a battery with a slightly different voltage rating will not harm your laptop. Heck, we are talking about running a laptop on a battery that puts out 14 plus volts, that normally runs on 19 volts DC from the power adapter. Oh, and all 3 batteries are designated as Li-ion. Now, as to the testing. I took a Li-ion battery from an LG phone, and the battery is designated as an LG battery, not a third-party replacement, that is Li-ion and rated at 3.7 V. It tested at 3.71 V. So, I took a Li-ion battery from a Motorola phone. It was rated at 3.6 V. It tested at 3.75 V. Interesting. So, I took my stack of Li-ion batteries that I have for my Panasonic digital video camera. The one that came with it, printed as a Panasonic battery, is rated 3.6 V and tests as 4.09 V. One of the replacements that is designated 3.7 V tests at 4.11 V. Another replacement designated at 3.7 V tests at 4.03 V. So, I checked the battery in the tester to make sure it was still good. Then I recalibrated it. Then I tested a couple of DC power adapters just to be sure, and then rested all those same batteries. Edit, I also tested a mess of alkaline AA batteries. We keep a stockpile of new ones for cameras, Xbox 360 controllers, etc. All tested between 1.4 and 1.6 volts. So, again, what am I saying? I am saying there is no problem with getting that battery. Provided that the battery casing was made for your laptop, meaning it will actually fit properly in your laptop. It is not going to hurt your laptop to use the 11.1V battery. I repeat, it is not going to hurt your laptop to use the 11.1V battery.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.